Hypebeast mystery boxes are back. This box is from soulsteals.com and the value of this box is going to be $1,000. So if you guys are interested in seeing a Soul Steals Hypebeast mystery box, stay tuned. That is coming up right after this. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untitled here, coming at you with another video. In this video, we will be unboxing the $1,000 Soul Steals Hypebeast mystery box. It's been a couple weeks since we last seen a Soul Steals Hypebeast mystery box. A lot of changes going on actually with Soul Steals. If you guys are unfamiliar with Soul Steals, soulsteals.com is actually a membership website where you pay $19.99 a month in order to gain access to the site where you can get things like this, Hypebeast mystery boxes. They got different tiers, $250, $500, $750, $1,000, $1,500, and $2,000. Those upper tiers are like very hard to cop though. And they also have a bunch of shoes that are going way under like competitive market pricing right now. So I would highly recommend you check them out. Additionally, if you guys didn't watch that last update on the beater box videos, Soul Supremacy will now be releasing a couple beater boxes. Like they're going to try to do it on a weekly basis on Soul Steals. He's not saying there's a lot of boxes. It's about like 5 boxes or so. I think this week is going to be like a lot though, like over 10, which is a good amount of boxes. But yeah, about 5 boxes. So you can imagine that they'll go super fast. If you guys have never tried to cop on Soul Steals before, things sell out pretty much instantly. It's very much like Supreme. I don't think the site is botted, but they go quick. It's because there's so many people trying to cop. But yeah, I would highly recommend you guys check it out. But this is a $1,000 box. So let's get right into it, guys, and see what we got in here today. Hoping that the Hypebeast mystery boxes end up coming up a lot more profitable than the beater boxes recently, because I'm losing money on those. So fingers crossed, guys. Let's hope for a big one in this one. Whoa. Okay. I can't let you guys see that. This is why the box was so heavy. I don't know what that is, but I know that box and it's a good box. Anyway, first thing that we have out of here is a Supreme waist bag. This is in the royal colorway. And it actually is from spring summer 18, so over a year old now. I don't know if you guys have watched my last Supreme pickup video, which I'll link somewhere up here. But that video talks about holding on to things like this, holding on to the waist bags, the backpacks, the shoulder bags, because they do raise in value over time, and once the season is done, they kind of shoot up in value. So this is the royal one from spring summer 2018. Maybe not this colorway, but this like certain model was very hyped. So I'm hoping that there's good value up here. If you guys are new to the channel, we do have a counter on the screen over here, so you guys can keep track, follow along to see what the competitive market value is of these items. The whole reason why we buy Hypebeast mystery boxes is for resale. People keep coming at me and they're like, bro, why are you not keeping these items? You're only gonna resell them and stuff. Dude, that's literally the point of a mystery box. Like, you don't go into a mystery box thinking, okay, you know, I'm just gonna get a whole bunch of random stuff and then that's it. The main option would to be reselling everything so you can get something you actually want with the profit. Or, I mean, you could technically keep everything and you get it for like a discounted price, but it would be tough to get exactly what you want because it's a mystery. So anyway, follow along on the counter over here. Supreme waist bag 2018. That's one. The number 2 item out. This one is a box logo hoodie. It is not. What is this thing? Gradient sleeve hooded sweatshirt. Gradient sleeve hooded sweatshirt in a size large red. I'm not gonna open this out of the bag because, again, I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep this stuff. I already have a bunch of hoodies and a bunch of jackets back there. I don't need more. It's already pretty hot in Hawaii. But yeah, check this out on the screen over here. This is what that pattern looks like. Red kind of items go for a little bit more than most because, I mean, Supreme is like red and white, right? So anytime you have that color blocking, it's usually a better sign for resale. So yeah, not a bad piece here. All right, looks like we have a bait tee next. This one I can pull out of the bag for you guys. It's like a katakana design. Oh, this is actually kind of cool. Oof, I don't know if I can fit a size large though in Bape. Might need to go XL. But you guys can see right here, this is the katakana Bape head, a bathing ape. Katakana is that Japanese language. You guys can see it over here. Gray tee. This is actually not bad, dude. Bape is one of those brands, because it's based out of Japan, that you need to size up 1 because it's based off of Japanese sizing. So yeah, everything runs a bit smaller. I'm not sure if I could fit this. This would fit more like a medium. I'm assuming that the value on screen is about $120 or $110 too. Typically that's the range for most Bape shirts on resale. So not a bad value, not bad value. All right, that's 3 items. We got 2 more shirts, it looks like. This one is the Supreme Thrasher tee. You guys can see over here, Skate and Destroy, just, I don't know, plastered all over the back of the shirt. Never been a big fan of people that just keep repeating the same logo over and over again. Then it says over here, oh God, why can't my boyfriend skate? Classic artwork design. And then on the front, Supreme just running vertically down the front. I've got a couple of these in the past. They sell not bad. I think it's about $90 or so now, depending on the colorway. So I'm hoping there's some decent value there. That one is also in a size large. If I didn't mention it already, you guys are also able to pick your sizes on soulsteals.com for the mystery boxes. So you pick your short size, your shirt size, and also shoe sizes. But that's the problem there, is that if you get a Bape shirt and you click size large because you fit all Supreme size large or ASSE and stuff like that, your Bape shirt is still going to be a size large. So there's a little bit of problems there, but that's okay. I mean, for the most part, again, it's mainly for resale, so it shouldn't affect it too much. This one though, ooh, interesting. Okay, so this one is kind of cool. I think there's a great resale value on this one. This is the Killer shirt that just came out, I believe, last season. So you guys can see over here, classic movie, also has Supreme mini box logos right here, very mini. In our profession, we shouldn't trust anyone, the Killer. So this one has been going for a lot of money. I'm actually surprised to see how much it's going for now. So this should be a great boost in the value on the counter as well. Also size large, gray, neutral color, so it should be pretty up there. But this is the one that we've been waiting for. I've seen this from the get-go. I'm assuming it's the most hype piece in the box. Maybe we passed something that was already a lot of money and I just wasn't aware of it. But I'm pretty sure this is the money piece, because we have a pair of shoes. That's right, for the first time in months, it's actually been months now, we have a pair of shoes in a Hypebeast mystery box. Usually we only see these in beater boxes, so I'm pretty stoked on, ooh, and it's a good one too. So this is a size 11 off-white Air Max 90. Hey. Oh man, I haven't seen these in person before. This thing is pretty sweet, dude. So this is the off-white Air Max. I mean, seeing it in hand now, this is actually kind of a plain shoe. Let me know in the comments below how you guys feel about this one, but when you look at it, it doesn't really feel like an off-white shoe. It just looks kind of black, like, you know, plain. Obviously has that zip tie, which makes it iconic. Has those custom off-white shoelaces. The tongue is also made of like that deconstructed material. And then this swoosh is, I mean, that's pretty much the main thing that makes it an off-white in this sense. I guess on this side it also has that off-white pattern. So it's not bad. I guess I'm not a fan of just suede in general though. So pretty clean design. I wish we got that golden ore one or whatever it's called, that gold one. Because that one I think looks a lot better. It looks a little bit more stand out. This one is a little bit more plain, but it gets the job done. You know, you still know at the end of the day it's an off-white. So very cool. What is the price of this now? It must be like $500-600 bucks, I'm hoping. So this is actually one of the better Hypebeast mystery boxes that we've got for Soul Steals. I feel like anytime you get shoes in there, it's way better than getting a box logo. It's better than getting those Supreme TNF stuff that we got. I don't know, I just really like seeing the shoes. So that's pretty dope. Very excited for this box. And I'm pretty sure that the resale value was high. It must be pretty darn high. You figure that the shoes are over half the value of the box. The shirts and stuff are pretty hype shirts. We got the Bape, we got the waist bag, we got the jacket. It was a good haul. And because they're all DS, you can sell them very easily. Like, it's not hard. They're all brand new, unworn, so it makes it easy to sell. You guys can sell it on apps, stuff like that. Overall, really great box. Let me know in the comments below what you guys thought of this box though, and let me know what you guys think of beater boxes dropping on Soul Steals now. In that sense that you can actually cop on there, I think it's a pretty good investment to get a membership now, but I would test it out to see how hard it is to cop, because I'm assuming it's pretty tough. I haven't tried copping a beater box on there before, but it can't be easy. Anyway, I'd highly recommend you guys check it out. I am hoping to get on the mystery tee grind with them, so as soon as I see mystery tees back on that website, I'm gonna go shoot for them, because basically they give you the opportunity to get a Supreme tee, but it could turn into like a box logo tee, like if you get lucky. So thinking about buying a whole bunch, you know, so we'll see how that goes. Anyway, thank you guys again for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and if you guys did enjoy, be sure to subscribe down below. Hit that like button if you want to see more videos like this. And if you guys haven't heard yet, I am now on twitch.tv/UntitledHawaii. And it's been really fun, man. I've been like hanging out with all of the Ohana that have seen the tweets, have seen the Instagram, have seen like the YouTube posts about it. And we've just been chilling on Twitch. So it's been really nice because I get to converse with you guys, answer you guys' questions if you have anything sneaker related, or you guys just want to know a little bit more about me. It's a pretty chill place to hang out. We have a great Ohana over there. So I highly recommend you guys come through, hit that follow button on Twitch. We would love to see you guys there. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video, and until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care guys. I will see you. Aloha, shoots!